Oh, hey, look who's back. Me, your brain, CEO of Let's Get Our Life Together Inc. And guess what? We're running another productive day of absolutely nothing. Remember that to-do list? Yeah, me neither. We were definitely going to start after one video, right? Now we're experts in alien conspiracies and cat parkour. Also, love the diet, coffee, air, and existential dread. Truly gourmet. Sleep? Who needs it when we've got anxiety and blue light? And hydration? Apparently that's just a rumor. You say, I work better under pressure. Great, I love panic attacks at midnight. Super fun. So here's a cute idea. Maybe give me one brain cell's worth of help today. Stand up, breathe real air, do one actual task. Or hey, keep ignoring me. But don't come crying when we forget our own email password. Again, anyway, good talk. Can't wait for our next 3-hour scroll session. Your brain. In